Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out, and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Now, imagine you're walking through a deep digital forest under the cover of night. Neon threads are glowing from the branches of ancient pine trees. You want to send a secret, midnight message to a trusted friend, asking them to meet you on a dark street. But if any mechanical spies intercept the letter, they'll only see a harmless recipe for a baked pie. This is the magical world of Cyber-Rus, where ancient fairy tales meet cutting-edge neural networks.
There's a stark contrast between the old ways and the new ways. Traditional encryption is kind of like a massive wooden chest, wrapped in heavy, sparking iron chains. It might be locked tight, but it practically screams that something extremely valuable is inside. It acts as a giant magnet, immediately attracting passing guards and mechanical ravens with glowing red eyes who just want to break it open. But modern AES steganography works completely differently. It hides your secret entirely in plain sight. There's no heavy, locked chest to attract attention. There's only an invisible message, tucked perfectly away inside a totally normal conversation.
To master this magic, we really need to understand steganography. It's the ancient practice of concealing a secret message within another completely mundane message or object. In ancient times, people wrote their letters using invisible ink, hiding their true words in the blank spaces of ordinary parchment. Today, we've learned to hide our deepest secrets inside the outputs of neural networks. We actually use an artificial intelligence language model as our most reliable hiding place. But there's a glaring problem with our current communication tools. Most modern applications promise total privacy through end-to-end encryption, but they still leave behind a massive, highly visible metadata trail. The mechanical servants of the cloud giants are always watching from above. They can see your visible contacts, your timestamp logs, and all your routing metadata. Even if they can't read what's in your heavy locked chest, they know exactly who you're talking to and exactly when you sent the message. Thankfully, a powerful new solution has arrived. A brand new open-source defense tool has emerged from GitHub, and it solves this dangerous tracking problem completely. Instead of building a thicker vault, this technology simply turns your highly classified secrets into innocent, boring chatter that travels openly across corporate servers. To any watchful cloud spy, it just looks like ordinary people having a very mundane day. It leaves absolutely zero suspicious footprints behind.
It's time to forge our own, sovereign digital defense with our very own hands. We no longer need to depend on those dark corporate towers hovering high in the sky. Picture a bright, cozy room inside a wooden cyber fortress. On a heavy oak table, we're going to forge a digital sword of protection. By building our own local tools, we take back our independence. We're crafting an unbreakable shield made out of open-source code and pure computing logic.
First, we install the Ubuntu operating system, giving us a really strong foundation. Second, we set up the Golang programming language, specifically using version 1.18. Third, we carefully create a perfectly clean virtual conda environment, which ensures our tools don't clash with each other. And finally, we clone the precious GitHub repository, bringing the defense code right into our sanctuary. Notice the number glowing before you, 500. Once our forge is ready, the script summons a helpful AI model called GPT-2. Think of this model as a tiny, friendly, mechanical house spirit. It's a digital guardian made of copper parts, glowing with green light. And the most amazing thing is that this guardian is incredibly lightweight. Its total size is literally just 500 megabytes. Because this guardian is so tiny, the hardware benefits are absolutely massive. The CPU effortlessly handles all the AI processing. Little drops of digital gold flow smoothly along the processor paths. Meanwhile, your expensive graphics card, the GPU, is completely resting. There is zero energy drain on it. You absolutely don't need a massive, power-hungry supercomputer to run this local magic. To keep this magic safe, we have to build our security architecture. This system ensures your data remains pure and untouched by running your secret messages through two distinct layers of local defense. These defensive lines act as an impenetrable wall. They protect your communications from any form of digital tampering while they travel through the wild networks. These two layers are absolute. The first is the AES SIV cryptographic lock. It acts like a glowing chain of light that firmly locks your data together. It prevents evil swamp monsters like the digital Kikamora from altering or substituting your words. Any tampering is instantly detected. The second layer is the AI covert word selection probability. Behind the scenes, the system secretly manipulates the mathematical probabilities of the LLM. This actually forces it to choose specific words that perfectly hide your secret bytes. But how do you ever read the hidden message once it arrives at its destination? Well, the secret lies in reverse probability decoding. When your trusted friend receives the seemingly normal text, their local mechanical guardian springs into action. It cleverly calculates the word probabilities in reverse order. By peeling back the mathematical layers of the illusion, it seamlessly extracts the hidden bytes and decrypts your true message.
Now it's time to put our digital armor to the ultimate test. We're going to watch a dangerous secret travel straight through the open air, fully exposed to the mechanical scanning ravens. We'll see if our steganography can keep it completely hidden.
To begin, both sides need a secret activation phrase. Our hero, let's call him Ivan, types these magical words into his console. The purple elephant dances under the crimson moon. This prepares his digital forge to encrypt and hide the upcoming transmission. Now, here is the actual, dangerous, secret message that Ivan needs to send. Meet me on the street exactly at midnight. If the flying corporate ravens were to scan this text, Ivan would be in terrible danger. It's a highly sensitive command, one that must be protected and concealed at all costs before it ever leaves his machine. Witness this breathtaking transformation. The neural network takes Ivan and his dangerous secret and spins it into a completely harmless, boring story. I spent the afternoon organizing my wooden shelf and sorting through old recipes. It's absolute genius. The secret bytes force the AI to choose these exact innocent words. This fully camouflages the midnight meeting, right in plain sight. The true magic happens upon arrival. For any external spy scanning the IT network, they only see a very mundane chat about organizing shelves and old recipes. But when the receiver, let's call her Vasilisa, gets this boring story, her local system instantly decodes the incoming words. The illusion drops, and the true secret text flashes across her glowing screen in total safety. This brings us to our ultimate goal. This incredibly resource-efficient setup brings us true digital independence and sovereignty. The bright dawn rises over the wooden cyber fortress. We no longer have to rely on the servers of foreign states or dark corporations to protect our privacy. Our future is born right here, on our own personal computers. This gives every single person the absolute right to their own personal secrecy. The sovereign benefits are clear. We get zero GPU drain, meaning our graphics cards stay cool and save electricity. We maintain highly stable RAM and CPU usage, so our computers never freeze or stutter. We operate with absolutely no foreign servers involved in our encryption process. And above all, we achieve complete privacy. This is all powered by the strength of free, local artificial intelligence. As our explainer of this ancient and futuristic magic comes to a close, I want to thank our amazing sponsors. Your support is what helps this channel grow. There are so many more incredible discoveries waiting ahead of us. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Armed with this invisible ink and sovereign power, what will you build in the new, free, digital frontier of Cyber Rus?